Well, in the backdrop of the war in Iran, oil prices around the world have gone up sharply. This has created pressure on many of the countries. And back in India, Prime Minister Modi has appealed to people to help the country save fuel and the foreign exchange. The Prime Minister has made an appeal. He has also triggered a political face-off here in the country. We have reaction coming in from the Congress party and other opposition parties who have questioned the government over the situation. Rahul Gandhi has questioned the Prime Minister's appeal on safe fuel amid the West Asia crisis. He said that appeal made by the Prime Minister are evidence of the failure to handle the crisis. He also said that over the past 12 years, the country has been brought to such a juncture that the public now has to be told what to buy, what not to buy, where to go, where not to go by the Prime Minister. So that's the reaction that has come in from Rahul Gandhi, and not just Rahul Gandhi. In fact, several reactions we are getting in from TMC, Samajwadi Party, Shiv Sena UBT and the Congress Party, as well as the appeal by the Prime Minister is concerned. That has now triggered a political face-off. The Congress leaders, in fact, the opposition party leaders, they are questioning the handling of the crisis right here. Let me take you, first of all, to what the Prime Minister, in fact, has said. Suggestion number one is use petrol, diesel sparingly, that if you go out, if you take your car, opt for carpooling, take the metro as well. Reduce the use of the cooking oil is another suggestion that is coming from the Prime Minister. Travel by public transport is what the Prime Minister has said. If you go by car, then do carpooling. Otherwise, take public transport or take metro as well. So that's, in fact, what the Prime Minister has said so far is what we're learning. And this comes in the backdrop of the war in Iran. He said use electric vehicles if you have them. That is suggestion number 5 that is coming from the Prime Minister as well. He has made several suggestions asking people to also not buy gold for the next 1 year, use EV, take metro, do carpooling. So those are the suggestions that have come in from the Prime Minister, and as we told you, that has led to a massive political controversy here in the country. We have reactions coming in on that. Have a look at what the leaders are saying.
सबसे पहले आप अनावश्यक रूप से कीमती जहाज लेकर के जब चाहते हैं दूसरे देशों में चले जाते हैं, तो आप फॉरेन विजिट कम कर दीजिए। दूसरी बात है, वर्क फ्रॉम होम से आप भी करिए। आप प्रचार में निकलते हैं, हजारों गाड़ियों में तेल खर्च होता है और आप खुद खर्च करते हो, तो आप पीएमओ चलाइए। आपको देश का प्राइम मिनिस्टर चुना गया है, प्रचार मंत्री नहीं चुना गया है।
प्रधानमंत्री और पूरी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने देश को बर्बाद कर दिया, अर्थव्यवस्था को बर्बाद कर दिया। देश हो, दुनिया हो, प्रधानमंत्री को सरकार चलानी नहीं आती। प्रधानमंत्री ने अपनी असफलता स्वीकार कर ली। देश और देशवासी एक बड़े संकट की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं। अगर हम खरीदारी नहीं करेंगे तो उसके बाद फिर देश में व्यापारिक डिप्रेशन आएगा, आर्थिक डिप्रेशन आएगा और देश की जनता बर्बाद होगी। प्रधानमंत्री जी का एक कदम स्पष्ट कर रहा है कि देश बर्बादी की ओर जा रहा है।
Let me get you more perspective and go across to my colleague Niyamika, who I believe is joined by a Congress leader there. Niyamika, take us through what the Congress leaders there have to say as far as the appeal by the Prime Minister is concerned.
Well, yes, Akansha, we have seen that how the politics has already started after the Prime Minister has made an appeal to the people of this country. To talk about this matter more, we have been joined by the Lok Sabha MP of the Congress Party, Mr. Sukhdev Bhagat. Sir, जिस तरीके से ये अपील की गई है, पेट्रोल डीजल बचाने की भी बात की है और कुछ और जो सजेशंस प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने दिए हैं कि सोना ना खरीदें, जो फॉरेन ट्रिप्स है उसकी बात भी मेंशन की है, इस पर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर?
मैं समझता हूँ कि प्रधानमंत्री जी अपनी जिम्मेवारी से भाग रहे हैं और मैं समझ नरेंद्र दास मोदी जी की तरह रणछोड़ दास मोदी जी कहना बेहतर होगा। और जिस समय जब पूरे वर्ल्ड में वैश्विक जो मंदी का दौर था, हमारे मनमोहन सिंह जी ने एक नेतृत्व कुशलता के साथ उन्होंने पूरे देश में ये स्थिति नहीं आने दी। और आज जब इनको जिम्मेवारी क्राइसिस का, मैं समझ तो क्राइसिस के लिए जिम्मेवार भी मोदी जी हैं, सरकार इनकी है, तो अपील वो जनता पे, वो अपनी जिम्मेवारी जनता पे थोप रही है। आज भी ये मैं जरूर कह सकता हूँ कि ये जो सोने की इन्होंने बातें की है, तो कल तो ये चुनाव में लगातार ये कहते हैं लोग मंगलसूत्र छीन रहे हैं, मंगलसूत्र खुद मोदी जी छीन रहे हैं। इन्हें ये शब्द आने चाहिए कि विलासिता के बहुत सारी चीजों पे हमें कटेल करना चाहिए, बात अलग है, लेकिन उन्होंने सोने पे कहा। तो क्या जो इतने हमारे जो व्यापारी है या जो गोल्ड रिजर्व की जो बातें हम बहुत सारी जो करते हैं, बचाने की जो बातें करते हैं, वो उस किस संदर्भ में वो बातें किए, बड़ा हास्यास्पद सा लगता है। तो ये मैं कहता हूं कि अगर निश्चित रूप से हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी वो अपने जिम्मेवारी से भाग रहे हैं और कहीं न कहीं एक नेतृत्व देने में ये असफल साबित हो रहे हैं।
लेकिन सर हमने देखा है कि किस तरीके से पूरे विश्व में जो एक एनर्जी क्राइसिस चल रहा है, ये जो वॉर ईरान और यूएस के बीच में चल रही है, उसके बाद में अगर इस तरीके का संदेश प्रधानमंत्री की तरफ से लोगों के लिए आता है, अगर एक अपील की जाती है पेट्रोल डीजल को भी बचाने की, तो उसमें क्या गलत है? क्योंकि आप खुद भी ये कहते आए हैं कि सरकार अगर कुछ कदम उठाएगी तो हम उनके साथ हैं।
ये मैं जरूर ये कह सकता हूं कि लेकिन ये मोदी जी के कितने साल हो गए हैं जो आप पे हमारी जो डिपेंडेंसी उस पे है, जो इन्होंने तो इंपोर्ट घटाने की बातें कही, 15% हमारी डिपेंडेंसी और बढ़ गई है। दूसरी बात जो गैर परंपरागत ऊर्जा का जो स्रोत है, इस पे इन्होंने क्या किया, सोलर एनर्जी की बात करें, विंड एनर्जी की बात करें, और भी चीजों के बारे में बात करें, उसके बारे इन्होंने ना कोई इनिशिएटिव लिया है, ना कोई उस पे नए खोज किए हैं।
Alright, so
तो
the strong reaction there coming in from the Congress leader, the Prime Minister's appeal that has also triggered a political face-off in the country. We have reaction coming in from Rahul Gandhi as well. Over to you, Amita, for more on that.
Well, there are multiple leaders there coming in from the opposition party who seems to be fear-mongering. Let's, in the meantime, take a look what the LOP Lok Sabha has to say. Rahul Gandhi says that Modi ji demanded sacrifices from the public yesterday. Don't buy gold, don't go abroad, use less petrol, cut down on fertilizer, cooking oil, take the metro, work from home. These aren't sermons. These are proofs of failure. And also he says that in the last 12 years, he's brought the country to such a pass that the public has to be told what to buy, what not to buy, where to go, where not to go. Every time they shift responsibility onto the people so that they can escape accountability themselves, and running the country is no longer within the reach of a compromised PM. Then there are reactions coming in from other leaders of the opposition as well. Here is Akhilesh Yadav in this very lengthy post that he has gone on to say that as soon as the elections ended, the crises have come to mind. In fact, there is only one crisis for the country, and that name is the BJP. Saying if there are so many restrictions that had to be imposed, then how will the Jumla economy of $5 trillion ever come about? And it seems that the reins have completely slipped from the hands of the BJP government. The dollar is touching the skies, and the country's rupee is now hurtling towards the depths. And however, this is a lengthy post that he has now been made, saying that the nation says we don't want BJP anymore. Then there are other reactions also that are coming in. Here is the TMC saying that citizens save fuel, avoid foreign travel, tighten your belt, says the Prime Minister. Meanwhile, frequent flyer Prime Minister departs on a multi-country luxury diplomacy tour immediately after the elections. And for some people, austerity, for the ruler, aviation miles. But how much fuel was burned by the BJP while the netas were flying in and out for Bengals for weeks? Well, this is something that the opposition is now saying, that the government must practice what they are now preaching. Of course, multiple times that we are looking at, Akansha, these are questions are being raised on part of the opposition side.
All right, so Rahul Gandhi there, in fact, saying that this is the proof of the failure. On the other hand, the government there defending this, saying that measures have been taken to ensure that the energy remains conserved there in the country. Thank you so much, Amita, for getting us all those details.